How are you, my dear student? Our lesson today from Unit 3, Lesson 3, about the area of a square. You have learned before the area of a square equal side length times itself. For example, to find the area of square whose side length is 5 cm, then the area of square equal 5 times 5 equal 25 cm square. Remember that square is quadrilateral has the following properties. Its sides are equal in length. يبقى all sides are equal in length. يعني AB equal BC equal CD equal DA. Each two opposite sides are parallel. يعني AB parallel CD و BC parallel AD. Its two diagonals are equal in length. AC equal BD are perpendicular. AC perpendicular BD. Bisect each other. AM equal MC و BM equal MD. Its angles are equal in measure. The measure of each of them equal 19 degree. Measure angle A equal measure angle B. Measure angle C equal measure angle D equal 90 degree. Remember, the diagonals of a square are equal in length, perpendicular to each other, bisecting each other. The area of a square equal half the length of its diagonals times itself. يبقى area equal half times D times D, and the two diagonals are equal. Area of square. Find the area of each of following square. And this side equal. هنا مديني السايد في number A وفي number B مديني الدياجونال. يبقى في number A هستخدم الرول الأولاني. area equal side times side equal 4.4 times 4.4 equal 90.36 centimeter square. number B area هستخدم الرول الثانية. area equal half times D times D equal half times 9 times 8 times 8 equal 32 centimeter square. The diagonal length of square is 10 centimeter long. Find the area of square. هجيب الاريا. قلنا area of square equal half times D times D equal half times 10 times 10. عندي الدياجونال equal 10. يبقى الاريا equal 50 centimeter square. The area of square is مديني السكوير. هنا مديني الاريا. محتاج اجيب الدياجونال. area of square equal area of square is 72 centimeter square. Find the length of its diagonal. Area of square equal half times D times D. يبقى 72 equal half times D times D. علشان اشيل half هعمل times 2 فتبقى هنا ال 2 هتطير مع الهاف و 72 هتبقى 144 equal D times D. النمبر اللي هعمل له times في نفسه هيديني 144. طبعا احنا عارفين الهواء 12 يبقى D equal 12 سنتيمتر. The figure opposite is a rectangle whose dimension are 9 cm and 6 cm. A square of side length 4 cm is cut from it. Calculate the area of the remaining part. The area of rectangle equal length times width equal 9 times 6 equal 54 centimeter square. طيب area of square equal side times side equal 4 times 4 equal 16 centimeter square. The area of remaining part equal the area of rectangle minus the area of square. يبقى 54 minus 16 equal 38 centimeter square. Thank you. Bye bye.